Sa huling araw ng Meetings, Incentives, Conferences and Exhibition o MICE Conference 2024 ngayong Biyernes, July 12, na ginanap sa SMX Convention sa Clark. Siksik ang naging schedule ng mga delegado sa iba't ibang plenary sessions na nakatuon upang mas mapalakas pa ang kakayahan ng mga nasa naturang sektor. At sa huling araw ng conference, isang libro ang inununsad na paniguradong malaki ang may tutulong sa mga nasa professional event industry. Ito ang ikalawang edisyon ng Professional Event Management Book kung saan ang mga author ay ang mga mismong taong naging matagumpay sa event industry sa bansa. Isa na rito ang presidente ng Philippine MICE Academy na si Dexter Dato.
Well, it's really a guidebook for all the people who are, looking at MICE as a business, even students, as I mentioned earlier. This is also used as a textbook because it is CHED approved for all the event management subjects, for BS Tourism and BS Hospitality. So it's not only for students but even for the MICE professionals, those who are willing to learn more about MICE.
Dumalo sa book launching ang presidente at CEO ng Clark Development Corporation na si Attorney Agnes V.S. de Vanadera na binigyan ng libreng kopya ng libro. Gayon din ang Chief Operating Officer ng Tourism Promotions Board na si Maria Margarita Nograles. Ayon kay de Vanadera, ang pagbabahagi ng mga best practices pagdating sa mga event management ang kailangan ng Clark ngayon. Ipinahayag din ng pinuno ng Clark ang kanyang buong suporta sa MICE industry at sinabing mananatiling bukas ang Clark upang mas mapaunlad ang naturang sektor. Ang hakbang na ito ay bahagi na rin daw ng pagiging MICE advocate ni de Vanadera.
The tourism industry is a very dynamic industry. And we don't only deal with, let's say, if we're in Clark, we don't only deal with people from Clark, from Pampanga, from Central Luzon, but from all over the world. And technology plays a very big role. And so there is really a need to be in continuous learning in doing the MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions. May technology na rin dyan. And so we can professionalize the MICE industry or the MICE profession, then we need trainings. And we are offering the training facilities in Clark for free so that we can really strengthen our MICE industry here.
Malaking bagay daw ang commitment na ibinigay ng Clark para sa mga nasa ganitong propesyon. Ayon kay Dato, hindi raw nagkamali ang PhilMICE Academy sa pagpili sa Clark para maging venue ng MICECON 2024 dahil sa buong suporta na kanilang ibinigay sa pinakamalaking pagtitipon ng MICE industry.
It's really a good opportunity for all the stakeholders in Clark to learn more about MICE. So from there, we knew already that Clark is going to be a very good destination also. So yeah, we really appreciate all the support from Clark.
Hindi rin daw may kakailan ang Clark ang perfect place bilang MICE destination.
And we really foresee that Clark can be a major MICE destination. It's very close to Manila and it has an international airport. You have all the hotels around, facilities-wise. Everything is perfect as a potential MICE destination. It has very strong potentials. And hopefully we can make this also as a second home.
Samantala, inihag din ni Nograles ang patuloy na suporta ng Tourism Promotions Board sa mga ganitong pagtitipon.
So it is really very important to empower our people, no? So they have to know the latest of market intelligence. Today they talk a lot about AI and sustainability. So we need to be able to equip our people and teach them on how we can compete globally. Because to share with you, the MICE Asia Pacific market in 2023 was around 1.2 billion US dollars and is forecasted to grow 10% every year till 2030. So there is really a big market that we can tap.
Malaki rin ang pasasalamat ng mga delegado dahil sa dami ng kanilang natutunan, gayon din sa pagkakataon na ma-experience ang ganda ng Clark.
We're having a lot of fun kasi we work more on the event organizer side, so we're not sanay being the delegates ourselves. And it's our first time to attend an event of this scale. It's so big. apart from the networking and learning through the sessions, we got to see a lot of the cultural aspects of Clark and Pampanga. And then each activity, we get to see different things. So we've been through different hotels, so it's so interesting for us.
Actually, particularly in our department, we do meetings and events up the bank. So kung ano man yung mga nangyayari dito, mga natututunan namin, we can also apply in our events and meetings.
Jennifer Salenga, CLTV36 News.